Guys, this a look wash. Never again. Me never order from Temu. I'm not gonna lie, I love velvet gear. I love it, and I'm free to get it. Murder, sweet. What's good, guys? It's a girl and I'm back with another YouTube video. Alright, so as I'll see down in the side below, this will be a unboxing. You don't know it yet, so I'm excited, I'm not gonna lie. So around I probably ordered them something here not very long ago. So as you see on the side, so some order from four different places. Things I got unboxed from Temu, from Amazon, from Shein, and from AliExpress. Yeah, because what me do? For example, I say one something on AliExpress for $20, and then I see it on Temu for $18. I go buy it from Temu, and then I see something on AliExpress that is not on Temu and Shein, and I just buy it on AliExpress. And understand, so I come my yeah. But I don't know, girl, there's a girl pretty and nice and ever like a thing. I don't know when this I go upload because I have to wear my things first. And that's when I'm gonna go to mark this for the wall. Jesus, what I'm not here, I don't see anything I want to see. But yeah, guys, so I'm excited. Come on, look at this. Mr. People imagine. So yesterday I'm gonna collect this. Oh, look at the nice from my phone. Yesterday, Jesus Christ, can I think of my knife? Wait, 1 second. Alright, as a matter, guys, so yesterday I'm gonna pick up my coffee then. When I see the lady come out with them, I say, oh, people. And we didn't spend much money. Probably not spend like $90, $100, and then $3,600 for collect all of them here. That's not bad, right? That's never bad. So, you know, I got already look for my get and unpack. So I don't know which one to open first. I don't open the wig first. I feel like this is myself that wig. I don't open this first because I get this from Amazon. Yeah. From some other Instagram on Amazon. Alright. So for $500, I'm not open this at first. I don't want for $500. So for $950. So for $500. Alright. I'm not open this first. I'm not sure which part this come from, but let's see. And then I'm gonna put it on the screen and show you the size, the man, everything on the side. I don't know what it was already. Oh! Okay. So this is the this is the D&G Mugapa AliExpress. I'm gonna look back on the review of them and every little thing for see if this makes sense. Okay, to review. Mugapa to review. Alright. Okay. So, oh, this item is unavailable. Let me see it out. Alright, so this is a varsity bomber jacket. Right? This was for 24 USD. They must say out of 8 grand, 7,000, but this looks like the knockout version. You don't know, it's still the quality alright, but I review it to the next. Oh, it looks so dirty and tan, so I don't like it. Murder! Quite dirty up. You idiot people them put the guys. This a look wash. I'm gonna just buy it from the people them in a fee $7,000 because this look wash out. I'm not supposed to. I don't really smell bad, but it look wash out and in a version. I put on the mirror right here, so look at this. No, mega try. So guys, this is the jacket. Oh, and this look good together, everyone. Oh, this look good together. So the jacket, I'm gonna rate this now. Let me show you how it look. Oh. Alright, but I rate this out of 10. Quality wise, I don't know what this, but I just want to wear it to take one picture still for one picture. But and it come because the black rub on the white, so it have like a dirty look. Not really dirty look, but yeah, and kind of look wash out. But when I get it, but it can look good for the camera right now. For the back part. The design and everything, but I give it a I give it a 8 out of 10. But if the quality did, I can't say knockout version still. Never that if it's 7 to us other one, they might see it look like this. When you think I'm supposed to buy 7 to us other one, then I just stick to this type of picture more. But I don't know. I don't know. But it's giving supermodel. Alright, so guys, that was the jacket. Alright, what in this now? I don't feel like I'm hearing this stuff. I'm not put down here yet. Move on to Temu. Everybody asking about Temu, how long it take for come and all of those good stuff. As you can see, everything with same time, so it's stayed just like Shein and just like AliExpress and Amazon. Let me take long. Take me like 3 weeks to reach Jamaica or less. I'm gonna go on Temu and see what I did order to see if everything come. Come on, now I'm with Temu, you know. And if I ever foolish like this, you get $500 for this package, yeah? Alright, your orders. Alright. I'm over everything come though because we don't feel like some things coming up. See that? It's rich. So wait. Wait there. Delivered and left with an individual on April 3rd. You see, I'm not even gonna get upset yet because them here delivered from April 3rd. No, them here I'm getting now delivered from April 6th and it reached, and my glass and them something on there, so phone case and phone protector. Me hope it in a hey, come on, ramp with me now. You will not ramp with me. Oh, my jewelry coming at this. Or this. Oh, my finger something them in a this. Murder. Alright people, so I ordered a I can't know my love Jordans. Or if I'm having right now something low Jordans, so ooh, the socks them look bad. The quality not bad for the socks them angle. Yeah. I know I'm not put on no socks, I'm not change no socks and show you. Another time for that. I'm gonna put on my clothes and sick. And then now I'm not gonna lie. This quality is giving. Not even see it, it looks like it's giving. Which size is my buy? It smell bad. I told the cheek like Jordans, Nike here.
I'm 23 like Jordan, I the goat here. You're not with my team, not bad at John here.
But I'm excited about this. This is a size small, guys. So you know me, I go try it on and everything. So you know. And then I buy a bead jacket. I buy a bead jacket because I spent much to pay for this. I pay $33 fee, something them. I pay $12 for this. I want medium foot. It's a medium. So hopefully it can fit me. And it looks just like the one them where they are I don't know. It seems like the one them where they are Jamaica and they must sell them for $7,000. You sell them still, but at Temu it's cheap and the quality not bad. The quality is not bad. I just wanted the picture still, so I'm not really care. But you know me I think now. So no think, look on the mirror. Them look like them can wear it together. Me I wear black and white and this and I should buy the black one like this. I should buy white, I should buy black. You know, I'm stupid. Because my teeth don't like it. But still, and a knockoff version because me remember so the neck I can't go if I go look for my beach jacket. But the beach jacket I have in there so I have one brown one. I go show no one little something here. It's a cut. I'm gonna say, oh man, it's a knockoff version man. That's why I said cheap. Oh, but I don't business, but I just want to see a picture. But yeah, they are from Temu people. I'm gonna try them on and show now what is what. But these are the beach jackets. But these are the, like the knockoff version there. Yeah, fake version. And what else we get? I buy in buckets. I did buy some jewelries. We buy some jewelries so keep here in this. What is? Oh, come on, night. I don't know if it's probably one chain or something. Alright, it's a chain. You know this hour. It's a something. I'm gonna get one. Whoa, I'm gonna get one little nice watch in night. So I don't really put this a pouch in night and think there's something else in there. I'm gonna get a little nice watch, right? I'm gonna look on the pouch now, so I'm supposed to get in night. And they say it's a 6-piece with a 1-piece rhinestone and 5-piece jewelry set. Alright. So I'm gonna get a watch, it's a 1-piece. I'm supposed to get earring, ring. Oh, I'm gonna get the ring. It's an earring or ring or something. And this necklace. Or this oh no, this is something for girls. It's an anklet. Not anklet, it's a bracelet. Yeah. That's a bracelet. But I'm gonna pay like $7 for the year. And it did on sale. I did actually $12 for it. I'm not telling the Versace jacket. It was, them said the item is sold out. But anyways, I don't remember how much it was for, but I tell you I'm gonna get it for. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna try on them here and forward back. So guys, this is the little Jordan's bodysuit. What's Jordan's bodysuit? Back bar. This is a size small. I don't know if she don't go extra small, but up here so like tight. Then it's not too tight, but all I think about this, it's cute and it's nice. It'll show up too much younger stuff, but it's cute. I'm gonna shave for it. Oh, you know, my tattoo was show up on here. So I think I'm gonna wear them together because boy, never again. Me not gonna order from Temu because this is why I don't order online. It's best I just stick to my Jamaican what I know, because guys the quality it's thin, it I don't know what to say. It's cute, you know, but it's thin. It not have no it not have the as you can I don't know how the jacket are supposed to look. The only thing really like from the Temu thing is the is the whatever something the name is the it's something. So yeah, and it seems like not to make it. Whoa, but know guys. One thing, can I rate it? I rate the bodysuit, because the quality of the bodysuit is not bad, it's nice. So I rate the bodysuit like 10 out of 10. For the jacket now, I give this a 7 out of 10 ratings. But it's one of them can wear together. Only now can tell me because me I go post them after I'm wearing them. I go post after I'm wearing them. But and so I can't go back for go around back again for go change and put on the clothes. So just go do the next unboxing in this. And the next one I'm gonna open is this. This is for $900 like for I'm gonna understand what coming at this. I'm gonna go job off my phone. Cause I no I walk around coming at this. I'm nervous because what we could have possibly put in a box like. Seriously? What is this? Made in China. Oh! This is the ear! Oh! These are the ear. Bomba the 28-inch? Why this is made in China? The ear fake? You know what? Must scoop on this back in yourself. And then we'll do the TikTok review. Act like I never know what in there. So I'm gonna knock it back here. Yes. Alright, so that means I'm gonna open this then. How many things that the ear coming out this now? Alright, I'm gonna open this and see what is in this. Something from Shein. Why the freak did this here? Oh, the phone case. So wait, mama draw for Shein now. Mama draw for Auntie Shein. Shein. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Alright, shut. I'm gonna press on shift. Oh, so the phone case coming at this. And this now is a leather bottom. Boy, everything just feels fake and tan. So this is a leather bottom. Look bad. And I don't smell some only. So for the leather bottom, I think I want a small buy. Yeah, I buy a small. I'm gonna buy an extra small. One little extra small tube top thing, you know, for go with it. So no, I gotta try and them and get back to This is the phone case. I want to trade it on my phone case. iPhone. Ooh, it's cute. But you have the line to do, man. Wait, come back in this stuff. You have the lines in me. But yeah, that's the phone case stuff. I go run. Yeah, I try them on and come back. I'm gonna just pay bombard. I did just 12 little people them 3 something me at Shein. So what is in this big something now? You see, if my something don't come from Temu, I go upset. If it not come, I go upset because it better in this, you know. Oh, cause 6 packets was supposed to get and a 5 something I see. And this has I did not go complain, guys. I'm gonna share this with them and come back to them. Alright guys, so this is the leather. I don't like it. Nice, fit my good. So this is the leather bottom. This is the top. I'm just buy a little tube top to matchy with it. And yeah, it match. Bomba, but this is short. This short, man. I'm just look down at it. Oh, it's so short. It's short though. I don't know, then I just not give my hair. Then I just look like for it in the yard. I just have the box part. Yeah. And I know for put guys, I'm gonna show you the outfit idea but it come see and say. As I said, I'm gonna show you the outfit idea I must see and say yeah. I try to recreate it, but for recreate it not be a fake clothes. They might just fake murder. look like banana shape go up on the camera, but much you see one way, yeah. And then my shoes, I feel wear with this and my shoes, but no, it look no way, look, it's alright. But that's like the fact that the bottom part short. I can't must have tall. But yeah, I can't go back for change clothes again. So it don't look bad, no. It don't look bad. I'm gonna tell you now what this be again. Oh, I don't know what they're already. So this is a size small. It's a size small. And you see that the review them that say it's a little short or something. So I don't know. And this is a extra small leather crop top. Right? Alright, I have one last package left. I don't know where this really come from. But Jesus, I hope you see a leather where it can brush off. I must see, hopefully my top them come from. I just to clean some in a day, so something there. And that is the most important. No, Temu Temu I got something there. Me going to class, you know. Brother, I'm not telling you when my order them here. I'm not telling you my order them. Tell me something that I talk about. I'm showing you too. But even my review are just bad. Alright, watch out. Alright. I want to show them something down at the bottom right so the glass, the bag, this and that. I don't really care about the phone case and that, no, but the bag here and that I have to wear with the outfit here. I'm gonna have one shoes to buy to wear with it, right? I must reach the place you know, because I'm gonna read back what the lady did say. I'm gonna read back what she did say. Alright. So I'm gonna say, hey, okay, it's supposed to be 6. I'm going to get the invoice for the next one and send you this one. She said most likely it will arrive on the next shipment. Okay, just hopefully the next shipment there as soon. Because I'm gonna go on Shein now. Wait, I'm gonna go back on Temu and see my order them here. My order them from April 3rd and them reach a long time. I'm gonna track it. Delivered. It's from April. No, I'm not that from April 3rd. I ordered them from one time was in March and them reach something April 3rd. What? Can't find your package. Anyways, go on Shein now. Well, I'm gonna order this on Shein. 30 I'm gonna pay for them here on Shein. Truck. And from April 7 this reached the place. April 7 to April. Oh, it have been said April 3rd too. My order is from March 30. And it reached so fast. But guys, this is in the basketball something. This is you know me love my sweatsuit them. But these are just big stuff though. It's so big. Right, so this is the bottom. Got this. So the bottom, it's in California. And this is the top. So I forgot to buy one Jordans. More that orange and green Jordans or orange and something. Yeah, wear with this. Yeah. And I buy them white socks here with the basketball because I'm showing where the basketball come in now because basketball is supposed to be on this. Yeah. The basketball. So I can't link me up for this phone, you know, to pick out outfits for me and thing. So I'm going to try on them here and show you. But I'm very, very disappointed because I'm very disappointed because my mom at least did want the something for come. I did want the something for come. But guys, let's get back to you now. Yeah. This is the jogger suit. Bro. Like almost it could have fit me. It's short, it's tight, Like, I feel like I suffocate, like, I'm out of this from again. Shein, I'm gonna look on the size of my order. What the show? Really? I really extra small I put? When would I put extra small? I have like 100 refills, you know. I think this is what a maga girl turn it in an extra. And I must. Oh, somebody said thought it would be more oversized. So if you're looking for a baggier look than size up, but very thick material and fit will definitely keep you warm. And this was size large. Damn, I should not put large. I put extra small. Who me wear this? I can't bother wear this go out. This a picnic clothes. No, I'm gonna sell it. If you don't want this, I'm going to sell you guys it because guys, I'm very disappointed because I'm not gonna waste my money and buy no shoes to go away with this and it just, you know, me wear it. But I can't wear it. I'm gonna buy my jewelry them for match it, you know. The green something them are jewelry to match it. The fingers to the something them. But if me I'm gonna change up hairstyle and make things, I must say no, I just have to just run through the video. I feel that way about this. I feel that way. Why am I pick extra small though, God? I'm gonna look on the reviews then because why am I pick extra small? Oh, it can wear. It look like I said first. So I'm not gonna do this. I go buy one long socks and drop the socks. And remember, I wear go out. It's no business. But we don't want an oversized look, you know. We don't want an oversized look. Look here. This set is super cool. The letter on the pants and sweater is new and it really pop. And the waistband is 30. It fits. She is 115 pounds, 5'7", and I bought her, and it fits her perfectly. But ends could be a little longer. So see, why am I gonna put extra small? Why would they pick extra small? Me not think I me pick extra small. I must mistake. Me I think no year one must be 140. Oh, so I pick extra small because them little maga something here. I have an extra small. Them maga something. I have an extra small. So okay. What she said? Very cute. And my coworker said I was just like a 2-year-old. Judge, but what you know, guys? Anything I put on good still. It fits me perfectly though. Look at it, and it's cool. I'm not gonna lie. Back to the coolness, it cozy. Them here really pop on it. It thick. I'm gonna pay off it. I'm not gonna pay for it. I'm gonna see how much I pay for it. Shein. I'm gonna pay 20. Cause I'm gonna pay 30. Like a 5,000. I'm gonna pay for this. 30 times 151 or 40 or something. But anyways, yeah, if I don't want to buy it, me up. I'm going to leave it right there, guys. But when I go for TikTok, I'm going to unbox this. You might come show me it, but I'm going to unbox it on TikTok because I really want to show them unbox it. But yeah, if you don't know, so I'm going to come back with the next video. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at the Then I go out and pose up and I'm going to close them. I don't know if I just do already, just like and share and baiting, they understand me. So yeah. Before I go, hopefully I get the something by this week or next week, so I can come show now. And if I don't get it, I swear to God I'm going to sue Temu. You feel me? And anything on me say, people them are going to listen and follow. And no, we don't make no sales. I don't make sure to no send on my goods them. Although I'm not telling more stuff because it reaches the place of foreign. I think the woman said I got it for the next shipment. But why you never something else in my buy late? Why you that? But no one myself. No one myself. Just make sure I'm get my glasses. I'm gonna say I didn't want wear my glasses or something. I got out today, you know, the time I still go. I didn't want wear my glasses or something, you know. And the glasses I'm wearing now, you know, I'm not want to get it before enough for them people. Yeah. I don't want to know when I go get it late now. Them I go say, oh, she follow you guys. And I say, I don't think them a long time from in March. April now. Or year. Guys, I'm going to show you the ear. I'm done with the little excitement already. But, yeah, it's from La Hai. What's your name? It's from La Hai. It's from a long old bag here. Yeah, it's a 28-inch ear. Yeah. Seat here. And it's a body wave. When they put it, when they package it up and back and everything. You just want to brush out or something. I want to hear this of them angry spam me. So them long, you know, if you ever short, you don't long and bouncy and nice for me. But I'm not gonna lie, I love the big ear. I love it. And I'm free to get it. Murder, so you guys, you see it. But the things are the full frontal, but I don't understand what the party are be. You better than you just do my full frontal. You can catch up and sitting. But it's nice, bad to bad. Big up you, LA, my color name. So, I'm gonna get my wig cap. I'm gonna get my lashes straight from America. Oh, but the page name. I forgot to tell you the page name. See what China say for China text me. Oh, see it here. The page name Lar Harley ear. And it's a 13 by 6 HD transparent natural black 28-inch. So yeah, people. That is that. And I'm tired now from mine. Me a review. Woo! Come over here, so fishnet girl. Yeah. So hey, I'll be already saying that for my nice outfit. For my nice outfit. Mom, I can't go wear this video yet, man. I can't install this yet. Suppose it's a 48-inch, but it's a 28-inch, guys. 28-inch. Maybe I must sell it, I don't know. I don't think I can sell it, though. I'm not sure. But yeah, that is that. So. This big old box here. I'm gonna put this box into my house. But yeah, thank you LA ear. Lar Holly. Yeah. Bye guys.